So friends, UK-based smartphone brand Nothing is expected to launch its new flagship model, the Nothing Phone 3, in the upcoming months. The Nothing Phone 3 smartphone launch has already been delayed for more than a year. Our fans are eagerly waiting for the release, and while rumors surrounding the Nothing Phone 3 are quite limited, a leaked internal emails by Carl Pei has given hints for major AI upgrades and significant user interface improvements. Therefore, the Nothing Phone 3 could launch as a major upgrade. And in March, Nothing Phone 3 series model gained much traction for the new telephoto lens and essential key. Now, we expected something similar or better to be announced for the flagship Nothing Phone 3 model. Therefore, from launch date to expected upgrades, here's everything you need to know about the Nothing Phone 3. And Nothing CEO Carl Pei is famously known for teasing upcoming products launches in quickly ways on social media platform, mainly on X, and Nothing is famously known for maintaining secrecy when it comes to its upcoming products. However, with the launch timeline nearing, we may get a greater look at what the company has planned for Nothing Phone 3 model. A leaked email by Carl Pei highlighting hints for AI integration. The email specifically said breakthrough innovations in the user interface. Last year, the company also teased an AI platform revealing ideas the company has been developing for upcoming devices. And with reference to AI integration, we expect upgrades to Essential Space in comparison to the current Phone 3a models. The Essential Key could get greater integration with apps like calendars and other productivity apps. For performance, the Phone 3 could rely on the Snapdragon 8 or the Snapdragon 8s Generation 4 chip, and from a design standpoint, the Nothing Phone 3 could follow a company's signature design profile with a transparent rear panel and glyph light interface. We could also get a new telephoto lens like the Phone 3a models. And in 2023, the Nothing Phone 2 was launched at a starting price of $44,999. However, for Nothing Phone 3, we may get a different price strategy considering the expected upgrades, AI integration and more. Therefore, we may have to wait until the official launch to confirm what the Nothing Phone 3 has in store for users. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.